To you to how to do a figure eight on a counterbalance. So how we're going to do this, I'm going to select it in gear, do an all-round observation check, release my handbrake, gently accelerate, nice and slowly. I'm going to first of all, I'm going to line my pivot point with the center of the wheel with the center of the barrel, nice and gently, glancing back and forth, looking at my crush point, going nice 40 degrees angle. I'm going to now gently crisp my hands, looking at my second turn point. Again, glancing back and forward nice and gently, waiting for my pivot point with the center of the barrel, nice and gently, steer, nice and gently, glancing back and forward, nice and slowly, looking at my crush point, nice and gently. As you can see, I'm doing this exercise. This is for steering and to control my speed, nice and gently, straighten my truck up, nice and slowly, kiss my hands. Now going into another 40 degrees angle, lining my truck up again, my pivot point. Center of the wheel with the center of the barrel again, maintaining that gap 2 to 3 inches, glancing back and forward, back and forward. Nice and slowly, glancing back and forward. Around the barrel, nice and slowly. There we are. Straighten my wheel up, handbrake, neutral. Thank you for watching.